In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Grammarly from PC. We'll walk through the built-in Windows method so you can remove the Grammarly app cleanly and quickly. I'll keep things clear and friendly so you know exactly what to expect along the way. Start by opening the search on the left side of your taskbar. This is the magnifying glass icon near the Start button. When the search panel opens, we're going to use it to jump straight into your settings. Type Apps and Features into the search bar. In the results, you should see a settings option labeled Apps and Features, or on some versions of Windows it may appear as Installed Apps. Either label is fine. It gets you to the same place where you can manage and remove programs. Click that result to open the apps list. With the Apps and Features page open, look for the search box inside this window. It might be labeled Search This List or App List depending on your Windows version. Click in that box and type Grammarly. This filters the list so you can find Grammarly instantly without scrolling through every installed app. After a moment, you should see Grammarly appear as a matching result. If you don't see it right away, double-check the spelling and give Windows a second to update the list. Next, select Grammarly in the results to reveal the available actions. You'll see an uninstall option. Click Uninstall, and when Windows asks you to confirm, click Uninstall again. This second click is just a confirmation to make sure you really want to remove the app. If a user account control prompt appears asking for permission, choose Yes, so Windows can proceed. You may also see Grammarly's own uninstaller window appear. If it does, follow the on-screen prompts. They usually involve a quick confirmation and then the removal begins. During the process, Windows might ask you to close Grammarly or any applications using it. That's normal. If you had Grammarly running, just allow it to close so the uninstaller can complete. The removal typically takes less than a minute depending on your system. When it finishes, Grammarly should disappear from the Apps and Features list, which is a good sign the uninstallation worked. If Windows suggests restarting your computer, that's optional in many cases, but it can help finalize the cleanup if you notice any lingering background processes. After this, Grammarly will no longer run on your PC, and you won't see its suggestions in your apps. That's it. You used Search, opened Apps and Features, found Grammarly, and confirmed uninstall. Thanks for watching, and great job cleaning up your PC.